An Octave for most of our stuff so far, but you can also use Google Sheets to do a lot of matrix stuff. It can even do matrix inverses. Here's how you do it. Now here's a matrix, the matrix from the previous example. What you do is just go to a cell, hit equal, and then if you start typing in MINV, it gives you this minverse, matrix inverse. Then you just select the cells that contain your matrix, and it'll put the matrix inverse out there for you. So if we wanted to solve, in the previous example we had this with, let's see, 942. What we could do to solve that system would be to multiply the inverse times the times 942. So let's do that over here. I'm going to put 942 here, and to get it to multiply, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to hit equals, then and matrix multiplication comes up. You select the first matrix you want to multiply, then you select the second matrix you want to multiply, and it puts it out right there. It gives us 19, negative 19, 14.2, and 2.2. which is exactly what we got before. If I change this to 787, notice it gives us the same answer that we got for that version of the problem. So this might be useful if if you had a system you have to solve over and over again. You could use Excel or Google Sheets to do it. The one place where this kind of breaks down is if your system doesn't have a unique solution, then this wouldn't work. But if it's a system that always has a unique solution, this will work.